Meet the Park West dining side chair with cushion by Ratana, clean-lined, architectural, and made for those long, easy meals that stretch past sunset. Its onless silhouette keeps the look streamlined while making it simple to tuck in extra place settings, so your table always feels open and inviting. Built for real-life outdoors, the frame is crafted from powder-coated aluminum that shrugs off rust, moisture, and coastal air. It's a sturdy, commercial-quality build that still feels pleasantly lightweight, so reconfiguring your layout for brunch, game night, or a dinner party is effortless. Day-to-day upkeep is refreshingly simple. A quick wipe or rinse keeps the frame and cushion looking their best. Non-marking feet help protect deck surfaces, and the refined proportions slide neatly under most outdoor dining tables, perfect for patios, terraces, and polished poolside spaces. If you want a dining chair that blends modern style, resilient materials, and effortless comfort, Park West is an easy yes for elevated outdoor entertaining. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.